Introducing the Armor Lite SS aluminum end dump trailer, available at Midco Sales. Armor Lite trailers are engineered to not only be lighter than other aluminum end dumps, but also stronger. They are robotically welded, which provides greater weld penetration while controlling heat. The aerodynamic design maximizes fuel economy, while the lower floor height provides increased stability and makes the trailer easier to load. This Armor Lite end dump measures 39 feet long and has 54-inch sides. The trailer load is quickly covered and uncovered by the electric slide tarp. An 8-inch 5-stage cylinder raises and lowers the trailer. The Quicksilver liner releases loads quickly while protecting the integrity of the trailer bed. This end dump travels on 11R 22.5 tires, aluminum wheels, and an air ride suspension system with a lift axle that raises the front tires off the ground when they are not needed. The tire pressure is continuously monitored by a Meritor tire inflation system. Strength, durability, quality, value, innovation. Armor Lite adds all these together to produce a superior trailer, and Midco Sales has them in stock. Stop by the dealership or visit midcosales.com to learn more about any of the end dumps that we carry. Midco Sales is located in Chandler, Arizona, just a few minutes outside of Phoenix.